Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Mallorca Under the Sun, and today I have a very different video for you. I am going to be showing you on the inside of a luxury, modern but also rustic €2.5 million villa which is in the heart of Majorca village in the municipality of Andratx here in Mallorca. So come on, let's go and check it out. So I've had some requests to take a look behind the gates of some luxury properties here in Mallorca, and my friend who is an estate agent has organised this viewing here for us today. So we're coming up to the main house here and it is absolutely stunning. It looks like it's a very rustic property and hundreds of years old, but it was actually built in the year 2000. So we're just coming over here to this beautifully peaceful pond. And the wonderful thing about this property is that it does have the most amazing outdoor spaces as well. And from here you can look over towards the swimming pool here and out onto the hills of Andratx. From here, before we go into the main house, I'm just going to show you the outside area, which is even larger. I mean, you have these wonderful lawns right in front of the property, which go on over towards the swimming pool and a pergola, or a pergola, I don't know how you pronounce it, but this is a wonderful entertaining space. You have your own private kitchen area, outside barbecue area, with sink and with grills. You have a little woodshed as well, plus dining space. Okay, so from the dining area and from the barbecue area here, we're going down towards the absolutely beautiful swimming pool, which is approximately 9 metres by 5 metres. I mean, this is just paradise, and it also has its own ancient olive tree, providing some beautiful shade. So before we go any further into the property, let me just give you a few facts. Now, aside from the fact this property was built in the year 2000, it has 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and this is set in 11,500 square metres of land. So if you are looking for privacy, and if you are looking to live anonymously, this is really the perfect place to be. You're just a few minutes drive away from Majorca village with that fabulous community life that you get here in Mallorca, which you can dip in and out of. But ultimately you are going to be living here in this beautiful secluded spot, which is right off the tourist trail and right away from anybody really knowing where you are. So what could be better than that? I mean, if you have the money and you want the peace and quiet, this property is definitely for you. Now, from the swimming pool here, if you keep on walking, you go down to the other recreation area here, and it is a beautiful gazebo area, another dining area too, and relaxing area. And as you can see from here, it offers fantastic views over the Mallorcan countryside. Okay, so let me just give you a little information about the location of this property. You are just a 5-minute drive from the resort of St Helm, which is just one of the loveliest on the island, and of course the many walks that surround St Helm as well, and you can check one of those out on my channel here too. You are also just a 5-minute drive from Andratx Old Town as well, and then from the airport maybe about a 30-minute drive. You are also probably about a 20-minute drive from the nearest international school and about a 25-minute drive to the very centre of Palma. So you're perfectly located. Now, this property, it does come with its own private drive, so there's nowhere else to go on this road. When you follow this road, this is the only place that you can possibly get to. So of course you're not going to get any through traffic, you're not going to get any tourists walking past, and the neighbours, you wouldn't even know they were here either. I mean, it's just beautifully peaceful and completely silent. So we're just leaving the swimming pool and the barbecue area, and we're going to head up along the side of the property first, just before I take you on the inside, just to show you the absolute expanse of this, because you have so much land here. It really would be a case of owning your own personal piece of Mallorca. Huge area for wood collection, for barbecues and for having fires. But if you look up into the hills here, all of this land is actually part of the property, and the fence that you can see in the distance is actually the land on the other side of that is also part of the property, but the fence has been put up just to keep the resident goats out. Okay, so let's go and take a look inside. Now, the lady who owns this property at the moment did all the interior design herself, and it is just amazing. So you have this beautiful station in the middle of the kitchen, which then takes you through into a utility area and a prepping area as well. It has such a feeling of an English rustic house combined with Mallorquin charm as well. So just to give you another view here. And before we go up the stairs, we'll just go through to the living area as well. Now, this is just absolutely gorgeous. It's an open plan living dining room with amazing attention to detail once again. And just look at the ceiling beams as well. It has beautiful, beautiful rustic quality about it. So we're just coming back through the living room here, and there's plenty of room for absolutely everything here. I mean, there's a beautiful log burning fire as well, which is amazing over the winter. Down the side of the building here, so if you do have guests over and they want their privacy and you want your privacy as well, there's a very sweet little guest house here, so we'll just pop inside and we're just going to head into the little bathroom here as well. And if you thought the last bathroom was nice, then check out this bathroom. I mean, it really does feel like such a part of the house, and so unlike a normal bathroom as well. You have the whole dressing area, beautiful sink, and once again, beautiful integrated shower as well. So we'll come out of the casita here and down towards the main entrance of the property once again. So thank you very much for joining me today on this tour of this beautiful property right here in the heart of Sarrico in Majorca. Now, if you are new to my channel, do go ahead and subscribe, because I'll be bringing you more property walkarounds and more Majorca buying guides and more guides to actually living in Majorca as we move through the year. I already have some content on this channel, so please go ahead and check it out. And in addition as well, I'm still going to keep doing my resort guides and my travel advice videos as well. So there's plenty on this channel to keep you entertained if you're thinking of moving to Majorca or coming on holiday to Majorca. So thanks very much for watching, everyone, and I will see you on the next video. Goodbye for now.